Hey fans, my guitar is back with another episode of lesson, guys. Okay, so for today I'm going to show you four jazz licks. Okay, four jazz lick and advanced lick you're going to improvise over your chord progression. Maybe if you're playing like a 6 chord and a 3 chord, a third chord and a if you're playing maybe a kind of improvisations like that, you're going to apply these 4 licks I'm going to show you. It's going to sound better and sounds cool. Okay, alright guys, so if you know that it's the first time you're watching me on this channel, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this. And if you have any challenges, you can drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Okay, if you want to join my WhatsApp personal class, you can chat me on the number on the screen there. I will reply you as soon as possible. Okay, so guys, let's move straight to the video. Okay guys, so I want to do the lesson in the key of D. It's the key of D. That's the key of D. So if you're improvising, maybe you're on a jazz section, you're improvising your La. Okay, that is a kind of your 6 chord to your D major 7. Okay, your D major 7. Your root, your fifth, your 7 notes, then your 3rd note. Okay, that is your Do, So, Ti, Mi. Okay, Do, So, Ti, Mi. Then your La. Okay, you bar from the root here. Okay, your ring finger goes on the Mi. For most of you that don't know the chord, your pinky goes under the Mi, which is the La. Okay, you strike the 6 strings. Oh, that's the La chord. Okay, so if you're playing chord like that, you can play licks like that. Okay. Okay, so that is the number 1. So the number 2, the number 1 lick I played is Mi, So, Do, Ti, La, Mi, Do, Ti, La. Okay, Mi, Do, Ti, Mi, Do, Ti. Okay, Mi, Do, Ti. So I hammer on from the Do, Ti, Do. Okay, Ti, Do, Ti. But I hammer on it. La, La, Ti, So, Ti, La, Ti, Do, La, Ti, So, Ti, La. Okay. Mi, Mo, Re. Okay, kind of chromatic. Mi, Mo, Re. Mi, Mo, Re, Do, Re, Mi. Mi, Mo, Re, Do, Re, Mo, Mi. Okay, and you hold your La. You can play your Mi. So that is the first lick. The second lick you can play is you can play some. So what I'm playing there is a pull on from the Mi, Re, Do. Okay. Mi, Re, Do, Re, Mo, Re, Do, La. Okay. So this is how I'm playing over it, so you can be able to understand, and the movement is. So I play Mi, I pull with the velocity. Okay. When I play, okay, Re, Mo, Re, Do, La. Then I do this other octave. That's Mi, Re, Do, Mo, Mi, Re, Mo, Mi, Re, Mo, Re, Do, La. Okay. Okay. So that is the second lick. The third lick there, you play something like so what I'm playing there is I'm playing on the probably you may hear some guitarists using scales like that whenever they are improvising, mostly on jazz. So I play this other root and this other do root, and this other do. So I hold the two and strum while muting the second string. Okay, I'm muting the second string. The second string is mute, so the third and the third is what is pronouncing. So I go to my re, and re again. Okay. Now this is my mi going to my mi. Mi. Okay. The second string is still on mute. Okay. So I play so mi re mo re do la. So mi re mo re do la. Okay. So that is the third lick. So the fourth lick there, you can apply to make it sound cool, make it sound awesome. Okay, you can play something like. So I play from the la do re mi, la do re mo mi, so la do re mo re do la. Okay. Re mo re do la. So I make kind of slot there. So I make a lesson on how to learn your slot in my previous video, so you go and learn it. Okay. Okay. So those are the licks that could sound better whenever you're improvising, whenever jazz section. Okay. So whenever you don't understand, let me know. Okay, we'll reply you as soon as possible. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.